ॐ खानिलाज्ञब्धरित्यन्तं स्रक्खणीवोद्गतं यतः ध्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Purvapakshi said, Atma is Jnana Swarupa. How can Jnana Swarupa Atma be Ashraya of Ajnana? One. Second, Atma is Advitiya. There is nothing else. How can there be Ashraya, Ashrayi Bhava? And this Atma is going to express as Pramana Jnana. So Atma Jnana Prakrititvat, what was said in the Moolam, if it is Jnanam as Ashraya of Ajnanam, then how that Atma Jnanam, which will express in the form of Pramana, and that Pramana Jnanam will become responsible for Ajnana Nivritti. So Ajnana Nivartaka Pramana Jnana Karanatva should also be there in Atma. And if it is not Virodhi of Ajnanam, how will it remove Ajnanam? And also Atma is Asanga, Nitya Mukta, etc. Therefore, it cannot have any Ashraya Ashrayi Sambandha with Ajnana. Siddhanti gave Samadhanam by saying Ajnana Matra Nimittatvat, one hetu for all objections. So this we were seeing in Tika. On 109 page. तथा ही तत्र तावत् यदुक्तम ज्ञान स्वभावत्वात् आत्मनो अज्ञानम नोपपद्यते विरोधात् इति तत्र किं प्रमाण ज्ञान स्वभावत्वं किं वा अनादि निधन साक्षी चैतन्य स्वभावत्वम् इति विकल्प्य. Atma is jnana swabhava and it is virodhi of ajnana. Which jnanam is virodhi of ajnana? Pramana jnana swabhavatvam is virodhi of ajnanam, or anadi nidhana sakshi chaitanya means adi antarahita sakshi chaitanya, which is nitya jnana. Iti vikalpya adyam pratyaha. So it is said, if you say it is pramana jnana swabhavam, pramana jnanam is possible only when there is ajnanam. Ajnana is a nimittam. Ajnana matra nimittatva. How? Tasya pramatru prameya pramiti lakshana vibhaga ghatita swabhavasya pramana jnanasya ajnana matra nimittattvena अनादि सिद्ध आत्म स्वभावत्व असंभवात्। प्रमात्र प्रमेय प्रमिति लक्षण विभाग, इस विभाग इसी घटक तद घटित इस प्रमाण ज्ञान। प्रमाण ज्ञानम is produced only by pramata prameya pramiti vibhag, and that pramana jnanam has ajnanam as its nimitta. Ajnanam atra nimittatena, and therefore it is not anadi siddha. Pramana jnanam is not anadi siddha. Nahi further कल्पितम अकल्पितस्य स्वभावः सर्पात्मता इव रज्ज्वा इत्यर्थः। कल्पितम अकल्पितस्य स्वभावः, कल्पित वस्तु cannot be the स्वभाव of अकल्पित वस्तु. What is akalpita here?
Atma.
Atma. Atma is akalpita. And what is kalpita?
Ajnana.
Pramana.
Ajnanam is kalpitam. Pramana jnanam is karya of that ajnana. So, Atma is akalpita like Rajju. Anatma or Ajnanam, not Anatma. Ajnanam is kalpitam and it is like Sarpa. Just as Sarpa cannot belong to Rajju, Ajnanam cannot belong to Atma. That is the first explanation. Ajnanam cannot belong to Atma means Ajnanam is supported by Atma, but it does not belong to Atma because it is kalpita. It cannot become swabhava of Atma. Dvitiyam api pratyaha ajnana matra. Now you will see for all objections, hetu is only one. Ajnana matra nimittatvat. Ajnana matra nimittatvat. So, Dvitiya is Sakshi Chaitanya. So, how Sakshi Chaitanya can be Ashraya of Ajnanam? Ajnana matra nimitta, because of Ajnanam. Sakshi Chaitanyasya Ajnanasya cha भाष्य भासकत्वेन अविरोधात्. Sakshi Chaitanya and Ajnanam, they are Bhasya Bhasaka. Which one is Bhasya and which one is Bhasaka?
Sakshi Chaitanya is Bhasaka.
Ajnanam is
Ajnana
Bhasya.
Sakshi Chaitanya is Bhasaka. Ajnanam is Bhasya. Ajnanam is Prakashita. So it is Prakashya. Bhasya Bhasakatvena avirodhat. There is no virodha between Bhasya and Bhasaka. Illuminator and illumined, there is no virodha. Avirodhat. Sakshini adhyasa lakshana sambandham antarena cha tad bhasyatva yogat. In Sakshini adhyasa lakshana sambandham antarena. Antarena means bina. Without adhyasa lakshana sambandha in Sakshi, tad bhasyatva yogat. tat, tat means
Ajnana-bhasyatva.
ajnana bhasyatva. Sakshi is ajnana bhasya, means ajnanasya bhasya.
Ajnana.
Ajnanam tat
Yeah.
bhasya. Clear? Ajnana bhasya. So Sakshi is illuminator. And what is illumined is Ajnanam. That Bhasya Bhasaka Sambandha between Sakshi and Ajnanam is not possible without Adhyasa. Adhyasa Lakshana Sambandham Antarena. And Adhyasa is possible only because of Ajnanam. So Ajnanam is the Nimitta. Ajnana Matra Nimitta. So because of Ajnana, there is Adhyasa. Because of that Adhyasa, I say Atma is illuminator, Ajnanam is illumined. This is also Ajnana. So Bhasya Bhasaka Vibhagasya Uttanyayena Atma Sambandhi Ajnana Matra Nimittatvat. Bhasya Bhasaka Vibhaga, illuminator and illumined. This division, like Drashta and Drishya. Bhasya Bhasaka means Drashta and Drishya. Drashta Drishya, if you say there are two, this is Ajnana. Drashtur Drishyasya Satta hi Bandha ityabhidiyate. Drashta Drishyavashat Baddha. Drishya Bhave Vimuchyate. When Drishya Abhava takes place, then only Drashta is Mukta. So Bhasya Bhasaka Vibhagasya Uttanyayena Atma Sambandhi Ajnana Matra Nimittatvat. Atma Sambandhi Ajnana Matra Nimitta. Atma has this Bhasya Bhasaka Sambandha with Ajnanam, Nimittam is Ajnanam. Loke api. So you have to note some kind of vibhagas he is giving. First one he gave, Bhasya Bhasaka Vibhaga. Loke api yad yadadhina satta pratitikam tat tasmin eva adhyastam drashtam. In the world also, yat, whatever vastu, yadadhina satta pratitikam. Whose satta and pratiti, adhina it is, yadadhina satta pratitikam, tat tasmin eva adhyastam drashtam. And he gives example that same Rajju Sarpa. Yatha, so it has to be adhyasta. If Sarpa is Rajju Adhina Satta Pratitikam, then that Sarpa is Rajvam Adhyastam. In other words, if a thing has Satta of something else, and Spuranam, Pratiti means his cognition is also because of something else, then this object is actually superimposed in that other thing only. It is very simple. Yatha Rajvaha Sarpatmata. So just as Rajju gets Sarpatmatvam, Sarpatmata means Sarpatmatvam. Rajvaha Sarpatmata. Rajju is not Sarpa, but if it gets Sarpatva, it is Rajvameva Adhyasta. The snakehood is superimposed there. Tadvat Atmadhina Satta Pratitikam Ajnanam आत्मनि एव अध्यस्तम इत्यर्थः। अज्ञानम है आत्माधीन सत्ता प्रतीतिकम। अज्ञानम is having satta from atma and also pratiti means cognition because of atma. Therefore ajnanam is adhyastam in atma. So bhasya bhasaka vibhaga and ajnanam is adhyastam in atma he explained. Now the next part. यदुक्तम आश्रय आश्रयी भावस्य भेद गर्भत्वात् अद्वितीय ब्रह्मणि नायम उपपन्न इति तदपि निरस्यति अज्ञान मात्र निमित्तत्वात् इति. What you said that ashraya ashrayi bhava is bheda garbha. Bheda garbha means it requires bheda first. Then only there is ashraya ashrayi sambandha possible. Earlier he said bhasya bhasaka vibhaga. Now he is talking about ashraya ashrayi vibhaga. Ashraya ashrayi bhava means vibhaga is also bheda garbha. Bheda is there in its origin. And in Advitiya Brahma, how Ashraya Ashrayi Bhava is possible? Purva Pakshi is asking. Advitiya Brahmani Nayam Upapanna. Ayam kaha? Ashraya Ashrayi Bhava. Ayam Ashraya Ashrayi Bhava na Upapanna. Iti tadapi nirasyati. That is also refuted by the same head. Paramarthato advitiyatve api swasmin adhyast अज्ञान मात्र निमित्तत्वात् आश्रयाश्रयित्व विभागस्य रज्ज्वाः सर्पात्मतावत् तस्य अज्ञान आश्रयत्व अविरोध इत्यर्थः. परमार्थतो अद्वितीयत्वे अपि. Even from Paramartha standpoint, Atma is Advitiya alone. Swasmin adhyasta ajnana matra nimittatvat. Ashraya ashrayitva vibhagasya. So ashraya ashrayitva vibhaga is because of adhyasta ajnana. Swasmin means Atmani. Atma which is Paramarthatah Advitiya, in that Atma Ajnanam is Adhyasta, which is Swasmin Adhyasta Ajnana Matra Nimittatvat. That Adhyasta Ajnana is now Nimitta for Ashraya Ashrayitva Vibhaga. So why do I see duality Ajnana? Why there is drashta drishya bhasya bhasaka ajnana, ashraya ashrayitva ajnana? दृष्टांत रज्ज्वाः सर्पात्मतावत् तस्य अज्ञान आश्रयत्व अविरोध इत्यर्थः. Just as Rajju can have sarpatmata, like that Atma can have Ajnana. Ajnanata means Atma can become Ashraya for superimposed Ajnana. Just as Rajju can become Ashraya for superimposed Sarpa. There is no Virodha, Avirodha. Yaduktam Jnana Prakrititvat असंगत्वान् नित्यमुक्तत्वाच्च आत्मनो अज्ञानम् उपपन्नम् इति. अनुपपन्नम्. इति तदपि निराचष्टे अज्ञान मात्र इति यदुक्तम what you said earlier पूर्वपक्षी ज्ञान प्रकृतित्वात् असंगत्व अनित असंगत्वात् नित्य मुक्तत्वाच्च आत्मा इज असंग एंड नित्य मुक्त असंगत्वात् नित्य मुक्तत्वाच्च आत्मनो अज्ञानम अनुपपन्नम आत्मा having अज्ञानम is not possible because it is asanga nitya mukta and it is jnana prakrititvat अज्ञानम अनुपपन्नम इति तदपि निराचष्टे its nirasa also is being done. How? Ajnana matra nimittatva. How can asanga atma have sambandha with ajnanam? Ajnana matra nimittatva. How can in atma, which is nitya mukta, this notion that I am ajnaha come? Ajnana matra nimittatva. Because there is nothing else. There are only two things. Atma, Ajnana. All problems are because of
Ajnana.
all sambandhas are because of
Ajnana.
everything is because of Ajnana only. Atma is not doing anything. So all questions, their answers are means why is this is like this? Why this is like that? How it will go away? By jnana. That jnanam which is arising from pramata, prameya, pramana, which will produce pramiti, that is also because of ajnana. But it is capable of removing ajnana. Just like we saw this example in dream. I think in Advaita Siddhi we saw this example or here only in Nishkarma Siddhi in the end of second chapter. In dream, if I am frightened or if I am going through something and a dream tiger comes, that dream tiger is capable of waking me up. That awakening will also happen in dream, but it will push me out of the dream. So, ajnanam, atmano, ajnanam anupapannam, iti tadapi nirachaste ajnanam atrayate. Rajju sarpayoho prakriti vikara bhagasya. Third division he gives. Between Rajju and Sarpa, there is Prakriti Vikara Vibhaga. Bhasya Bhasaka Vibhaga, Ashraya Ashrayi Vibhaga. Now he says Prakriti Vikara Vibhaga. Rajju Sarpayoho Prakriti Vikara Vibhagasya. Iva. Ajnana Atmanoho Prakriti Vikara Vibhagas. Prakriti Vikara Bhagasya. Ajnana Matra Nimittatvat. Ajnanam is the nimitta. Prakriti and Vikara. So, Prakriti means the original. Rajju. And it's Vikara Shabda. Vikara here you have to understand as Vivarta. Its Vivarta is Sarpa. In the same way, Vibhagasya Iva Ajnana Atmanoho. Ajnanam will be Prakriti or Vikara.
Prakriti. Prakriti.
And Atma will be?
Atma will be Prakriti.
Oh no, Atma will be Prakriti.
Because Atma cannot be Vikara. Here, okay, here Prakriti does not mean Prakriti Purusha like that. Prakriti here means that which is supporting everything is called Prakriti here. Like Upadanam. Prakriti Shabda here means is support. So Atma is support. Ajnanam is vivarta. Vikara means vivarta. So Prakriti Vikara Vibhagasya Bhagasya Ajnana Matra Nimittatva. Ajnanam is the Nimittam. Nimittatva. Jnana Prakrititvena eva Ajnana Ashrayatvam Atmanah Samvati. So this is what he wants to say as the Prakriti Shabda. You know how, because in the Moolam he said Jnana Prakrititvat. Atma Swarupa is Jnanam Jnanam, which is the Jnanam. How can Jnanam be Upadanam for Ajnanam? In this way, you can put a question. So he says, Ajnana Matra Nimittatva. Ajnanam is a Nimittam. Jnana Prakrititvena eva Ajnana Ashrayatvam Atmanaha. Atma is Jnana Prakriti Swabhava. And Ajnanam becomes the Nimitta for it to become Ashraya of Ajnanam. All of them, see, in Moolam he gave only one line answer. Ajnanam is the Nimitta. Ajnana Matra Nimitta. Tikakar is explaining in different ways. Bhasya, Bhasya ka bhava, Ashraya, Ashrayi bhava, Prakriti, Vikara bhava, all of them. But Hetu is still one. Asangatva Nitya Muktatvadescha Vastava Swabhavasya Ajnana Matra Sharirena Sambandhadi Vibhagena Avirodhat. This is another Vibhaga. Sambandha Vibhaga. Sambandhadi Vibhaga. Means two Sambandhis will be there, both will be called Sambandhi only. So Sambandha Adi Vibhaga. How any association is possible? Ajnanam. Asangatva Nitya Muktatva Desha. Vastava Swabhavasya Ajnana Matra. Vastava Swabhava Ajnana Matra Sharirena. Sambandhadi Vibhagena Avirodhat. Sambandhadi Vibhaga is also possible because of Ajnana. Ajnana Matra Sharirena Sambandhadi Vibhagena. What does that tell you?
Sambandha is only because of Ajnana.
Sambandhadi Vibhaga is only because of Ajnana. Otherwise, Vibhaga is not possible. I mean, Sambandha is not possible. Sambandhadi Vibhagena Avirodhat. Tad ghatate eva Atmani Ajnanam iti bhava. And therefore, it is possible. So, tad ghatate, ghatate eva was said in the Moolam. Purvapakshi said, Naiva Ajnanam ghatate. Siddhanti said, ghatate eva. So, Tikakar explained everything and said, all this is possible. Ghatate eva Atmani Ajnanam iti bhava. Evam, in this way, Sarva Vibhaga Anartha Nidanam Ajnanam Atastan Nivrittaye Tritiyadhyaya Arambha Upapanna Iti Abhipretya Upasamharati Tasmaditi. Evam, in this way, Sarva Vibhaga, all kinds of Vibhaga, Ashraya, Ashrayi, Bhasya, Bhasaka, Sambandhadi Vibhaga, Prakriti, Vikriti, Vikara means Vikriti, Prakriti, Vikriti Vibhaga. All of this is only because of Ajnana. सर्व विभाग अनर्थ निदानम, all विभागास आर अनर्थ, सर्वे विभागाः अनर्थाः, all division is अनर्थ only. So सर्वे विभागाः सर्व विभाग, सर्व विभागस्य असौ अनर्थश्च इति सर्व विभाग अनर्थ. बहुवचन also you can do. तेषां निदानं, their निदानं मूल कारणम is अज्ञानम. अतः therefore to remove this अज्ञानम which is the cause of all द्वैतम, सर्व विभाग में द्वैतम. तृतीय अध्याय आरंभ, the third chapter, to initiate the third chapter आरंभ is उपपन्न इति अभिप्रेत्य उपसंहरति. therefore he does उपसंहार. तस्मात् in मूलम, तस्मात् तद अपनुत्तौ द्वैतानर्था भावः. Anybody is reading the Chitsukacharya commentary on this? And if you are not reading, it is good. If you are reading, then there are some corrections. So you have to know those. Otherwise, it is okay. Because this is more elaborate. तस्मात् तद अपनुत्तौ द्वैतानर्था भावः. तद अपनुत्तौ, अपनुति नुद प्रेरणे, धातु is there, नुद प्रेरणे. So anakar will become nakar, anonah, anud will become nud. With apa upasarga, it means to remove, to eliminate. So nud and nishtha pratyay is there, ta. So nud, nishtha pratyay, nutta kharija, to takara. Dakar will also become takara. So whose apanutti is needed?
Ajnana.
Ajnana. So tat means ajnana. Tasmat ajnana apanuttau dvaitanartha bhava. Dvaita anarthasya abhava. Only when ajnanam is eliminated, dvaita rupa anartha will go. Otherwise, dvaita rupa anartha will not go. So, Dvaitam is in the first chapter, in the introduction itself, he said, Dvaitam is your problem. And Dvaitam is because of Ajnanam. So when I say, I am understanding, I am gaining Jnanam, Jnanam is there, Jnanam is there, check is to what extent Dvaitam has gone. If Dvaitam has gone, then Jnanam is there. Because Jnanam has only one objective, to remove Dvaitam. If Dvaitam is very much set, and I say, oh, I know everything. I know all text, I know this, I know Vyakarana, Nyaya, Mimamsa is there. And Dvaitam is also there. That Vedanta Jnanam, Dvaitam says, you stay aside, don't bother me. I will give you some room in my satta so that you can claim everyone. You know, I know everything. I know. It is illusion. Dvaita Satyatva has to be eliminated. Tika. Bhavatu evam. Tathapi, now he puts some other kind of question. Bhavatu evam. Tathapi dvitiya adhyaya ukta yukti bhirev dvaitasya mithyatva avadharanat atmanasya tad adhishthanasya satyataya adhigatatvat tataeva anartha dvaitasya nitya nivritti upapattehe kim vakya vyakhyanena iti tatra aha. He says, okay. Ajnana nivritti artha, you are saying, our adhyaya, Tritiya adhyaya arambha is possible. But we already did this in second chapter. Bhavatu evam. Tathapi Dvitiya adhyaya, in second chapter, Ukta Yukti bihi, all the yuktis that we used, by all these yuktis, Yukti bhireva, Dvaitasya mithyatva avadharanat. Dvaita is mithya that we have established. Those who have forgotten that second chapter established Dvaita mithyatva, they should revisit that portion. And Atma is the adhishthanam of that Dvaitam. Tad adhishthanasya, which is Satya Atma, Satyataya adhigatatvat. So Atma is Satya, Dvaita is Mithya, Atma is Adhishthanam. All this we already said in second chapter with Yukti, Adhigatatvat, it is already known. So by that alone, Anartha Dvaitasya Nitya Nivritti should happen. Upapatte, it is possible. Why this Mahavakya Vicharana? Kim Vakya Vyakhyanena? Vakya Mahavakya Vyakhyanena Kim? Iti tatra aha. Tad apanodascha. Tad apanoda. Apanoda is ghai pratyay. Nud dhatu se. So, guna will happen. Puganta lagu padasya cha. Tad apanodascha vakyadeva tad padartha abhijnasya. Sorry. Vakyadeva tad pada padartha abhijnasya. Tad apanoda. Tad means ajnana. Ajnana nivritti is through Mahavakya alone. Only for that person who has the knowledge of Pada and Padartha. All the Padas which are there in Mahavakya, the one who has Pada Jnanam and Padartha Jnanam, Pada Padartha Abhijnasya Vakyadeva Tat Ajnana Apanodaha Na Anyatha. युक्तीनाम प्रमाण अनुग्राहकतया स्वातंत्र्येण अनिश्चायकत्वात् वाक्यादेव सम्यक ज्ञान द्वारेण तद अपनोद इति भाव. Yukti, they are praman anugrahaka. So second chapter had yukti. It is praman anugrahaka. Swatantriyana anischayakatvat. Independently, yukti cannot do nischaya. So vakyadeva samyak jnanam. Mahavakya alone will produce samyak jnanam. Tad dvarena tad apanoda. Jnana dvarena ajnana apanoda iti bhavaha. Avadharanena anumanadi pramanantaram vyavartayati. Avadharana is there in the mulam. Tad apanodasya vakyad eva. Eva is avadharanam. Not by anumanadi pramanantaram. Only shruti pramanam. Pramanantaram vyavartayati. Other pramanas are eliminated. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.